All right, this is my message to the CAD Sketcher community. First of all, thank you for writing such a great little add-on called CAD Sketcher. I made some modifications to it that I want to put back to the community. I had 0.27 was the version that I modified, and I called it, I put an 01, it was 0.27.3, and I modified it to be version 0.27.301. And what I did is I added decimal points to the imperial inch units. So since I use inches, I wanted to have things displayed not in fractions of an inch that it came with, but I added other things to this menu so I can see it in inches. And I added changed the drop down menu, changed the logic to do that. And I also changed the version number over here. Okay, so here's a sketch you see. And we can make this 3.661 and it'll display it in decimal form, which is more useful when you're working in thousandths of an inch. So the changes that I made, here's a diff file. So obviously in the BL info, I changed added the 301 or added the 01 after the 3. And I added this to the drop down menu. I put the number of decimal places in there and gave it a -1 through 7. And then the last thing I actually did is I fixed some typos in here and I made consistent changes because you guys were using value and I changed it to length. And I think I changed this to a string type. And I looked at the precision and it started with a negative sign. I converted it to inches and figured out how many decimal points, how many digits that are left at the decimal point, and just put those changes in there that you see in the yellow color. So hopefully you guys will review my changes and maybe they'll make it into the next version of Sketcher. I certainly hope so, because I find it a lot easier to use decimal notation and things like that. So I like seeing that much better than I like seeing, where are we here? And I like seeing something like that in 30 seconds or 64. So I'd rather just see it with decimal points. So thank you, Sketcher guys, and let me know if what you think of these changes. Thanks. Bye.